In this video, I'll be going to unbox the TP-Link TL SG1016PE network switch. This switch is a managed switch with 16 ports, 8 PoE plus and 8 standard. This supports the 802.3AF and 80 PoE networking standards. So what you can do with this switch is that you can simply power any PoE compliant device by plugging it into a PoE port. For example, IP cameras, IP phones, access points, etc. Each port supports up to a maximum of 30 watts of power, with a total of 110 watts across all 8 ports. Alright, so let's get started. The installation guide. Here we have the power cable and the mounting bracket, and finally the switch itself. The front panel, power input, the exhaust fan, a vent for air circulation. This is the rubber pads for the base.